if you have heard the terms of phishing, if you have heard the term of virus, if you have heard the term hacking. Now, what is this phishing? Sometimes you get junk mails into your mail ID, which looks similar to the similar official page of the banks.
Yes,
They,
ma'am.
what happens? They look for. We did this. I did this in Chanakya or Amartya yesterday. I did this in your class, right?
मैम
हाँ
चाणक्य में
शायद
किया था।
कर दिया था।
हाँ, चाणक्य में. दैट इज व्हाट आई वाज थिंकिंग. ये आपकी क्लास में मैंने कर लिया है, अमर्त्या में बाकी है. ओके, सो द मेरिट्स एंड डीमेरिट्स हैव बीन डिस्कस्ड बाय यू, बट व्हाट आई वांट कि जो आर्टिकल्स आपको भेजे गए हैं उसके रीड करके मेक योर ओन नोट्स ऑन द मेरिट्स एंड डीमेरिट्स ऑफ बैंकिंग, राइट? हैव समवन जॉइंड इन नाउ? Naman, you left in between and you have joined back now. Okay. चलो ठीक है. So we have finished all the topics of banking, but I want everyone to, first of all, you have to submit your assessment worksheet of chapter number 3. So today is Saturday. कोशिश करना by today or by maximum by tomorrow so that I can check it by Monday. Is a holiday. I can do it by Monday. And then one thing more, that is merits and demerits of e-banking has to be finished by you, right? Why in this class, Sahil? Sahil, why in this class now?
Yes, ma'am.
You have been shifted to Chanakya?
Yes, ma'am. मैम मैं वापस फिर से अमर्त्या में जाऊंगा.
क्यों? इसको चाणक्य ज्यादा अच्छा है.
नहीं मैम, सेक्शन चेंज. अमर्त्या में वापस ट्यूसडे को वापस अमर्त्या में जाऊंगा.
तो you came here for one day?
नहीं मैम, वो
अभी क्या हुआ?
हर्षन ने मेरे को बोल दिया कि वापस ट्यूसडे को अमर्त्या में डाल देंगे मेरे को.
बहुत अच्छी बात है.
मैम
चलो ठीक है. साहिल, हाँ जी, यस.
मैम वो आपने जो मेरिट्स डीमेरिट्स बोले वो नोटबुक में लिखने की?
नोटबुक में लिखना, मगर पहले read the articles which I had sent you yesterday. I think I had sent you 3
ओके.
articles yesterday, but there
हाँ
is
मैम.
more information available on the net. Read those. At least make sure you read 3-4 articles. Then prepare
यस.
टैबुलर फॉर्म में उसको मेरिट्स एंड डीमेरिट्स लिख लेना. बस बहुत ज़्यादा डिटेल में
ओके.
जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट देन इट मस्ट कंप्लीट द मेरिट्स एंड डीमेरिट्स. एक
ओके.
am I presenting?
यस मैम.
Okay, just see this article. This article I
यस
really
मैम.
like this. This article I really liked it. You can just see this one also. I have forwarded this. This is by IJERTS, that is International Journal of Engineering, Research and Technology. This one I really liked it, and very easy language has been written in this. I have forwarded this. अगर नहीं है तो आप note कर सकते हो. Innovations, challenges and opportunities. Electronic banking in India. You have the what innovative methods they are using in e-banking. Then what are the problems or the challenges they are facing, and what initiative the government or what the steps are being taken by the government. That is also written in this. This is a complete research work which completes your topic as well. Right, everyone?
यस मैम.
Op-
यस मैम.
operating conditions, technological illiteracy, that is digital divide, training the employees, they are all getting into the demerits of e-banking. So make sure you pen it down and give it to me, send it to me latest by Monday. And Mohit has left. I received Mohit's homework as well. So thank you, students. Have a nice weekend. Have a nice long weekend rather. Monday is a holiday for Janmashtami. So see you on Tuesday, everyone, with insurance.
ओके. थैंक यू मैम.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye,
बाय.
everyone. Bye, Nitik. Thank you, Nitik.